Thank you, Sabrina, for having us for this 3 days amazing SIA challenge. It's amazing. And during this challenge, I get to set up my YouTube channel for the very first time. Thank you for holding my hands, bringing me step by step um, towards me achieving my goal, impacting people, making a change. Yeah, using my voice for a change and using it for a purpose. So calling, it's calling and it's moving. And thank you for going along this journey with me. Yeah, and I hope and I think for sure those who have doubts about enrolling in the program do not have doubts. And this is where you need to start and this is where you need to be, right? So, yeah, thank you very much. And I hope there will be more classmates here. Thank you.